Email marketing for Amazon. Is it worth it? What is it exactly? I've heard about it. Don't really get it. Don't really see the point in it. Covering all this in this video. I'm going to be really simple and to the point. So email marketing. As an Amazon seller, you have the option to send out emails to customers who have purchased your products. So you may be thinking, okay, great. Like, what's the point in that? To say, oh, thanks for buying and build up that kind of rapport. Yeah, but basically the point of email marketing, and really when a lot of sellers refer to email marketing, they're referring to automated email marketing. There are certain services out there, and I personally use JumpSend because I found it by far the best. But I use JumpSend, which is an automated email marketing software where I can basically send out automated emails. So I don't touch it. It's like a machine that just sends out this email sequence that I've kind of tested and tweaked. And ultimately what this email sequence does, automatically, while I'm sleeping, while I'm doing whatever, it increases positive reviews, it decreases negative reviews, and it makes me more money every single month. And it makes me significantly more money than whatever I spend for the software. And how that works is, and again, this really depends on the content of your email sequence. That's actually a lot more important than the software that you use. And I've actually gone ahead and I will cover this in the next video, but you can go ahead and actually download my exact email sequence that I use for free in the description below, right, or somewhere in the text section below. You can download it for free. And again, in the next video, I'm actually going to cover it and show you how to integrate it specifically with JumpSend. And what's great is JumpSend makes it super easy. They integrate specifically for Amazon, unlike a lot of these other kind of email marketing softwares. So really powerful. And based on, as you kind of read through the sequence, basically what I do is I first establish rapport and kind of build rapport with my customer. And again, this is all automated. 2, I reach out and say, hey, was there any issue? Did everything go well? Right? Like, we'd love to know your feedback, right? So if there's any issue, that gives me an opportunity for them to respond back to me instead of leave a negative review. So they can say, hey, Sumner, like, the box came and the whole thing was like damaged, and it wasn't our fault, right? It was something happened with shipping, or the package was stolen, or whatever it may be, right? Whatever issue. And there will be issues, hopefully not often. And in my case, it's not, it's frequent, but it's not like overwhelming. It's every once in a while something happens, and that's just the way it is. But that gives you an opportunity using email marketing, using an automated email sequence to ultimately, intervene and say, hey, I had a negative experience. We'll take care of it for you. Don't go on Amazon and write a negative review. And again, you don't tell them that outright, but it's basically what's happening. Super powerful. So if you use email marketing correctly, you will definitely get less negative reviews. And again, negative reviews are something that's inevitable, unfortunately. Things always happen, human error and other error, right? And even technical error. So people will ultimately leave negative reviews no matter how great your product is and no matter how hard you try. However, you can significantly reduce the amount of negative reviews. Increase positive reviews, right? If you're following up, hey, just want to check in. How's everything going? I hope you're doing well. Thanks so much for purchasing. Things like that obviously builds up rapport. And then you say, hey, would you mind leaving an honest review on Amazon? We really appreciate your honest feedback, right? So that gives you the opportunity to actually increase positive reviews. Guys, the majority of my reviews I can directly translate to my product inserts and my email marketing. I know specifically from people who have responded back. And so that's number 1. Number 2, I actually, because of my email marketing sequence, there were a couple sellers who actually left. This happened twice. They left negative feedback, but because I was able to intervene, they kind of responded back and said, hey, there's the issue, blah, blah, blah. We solved the problem for them. And I'll talk about this later when I talk about dealing with negative reviews, but we solved the issue for them. They went back on their own. We did not tell them at all. We did not suggest this. We didn't say anything. They went back and changed one of them removed their 1-star review. The other person actually changed their 1-star review to a 5-star review. That's huge. And I can attribute that specifically to my email marketing sequence. And if I did not have that, I would have a much lower overall review rating. And for whatever reason, with this particular review, Amazon was giving it a lot of weight. So I went from a 4.4 average reviewed rating to 4.8, right? So that was a huge jump. And these two things directly translate to increasing sales, increasing profit. I love Amazon email marketing. And you can probably tell, because I've actually tested this. Anytime I put money into something, I want to see what kind of return I get. And I find I get one of the biggest ROIs possible with email marketing, specifically using JumpSend and specifically using the template that I've detailed below. And again, in the next video, I'm actually going to go into detail and show you how to use it with JumpSend and all that super powerful stuff. Then also another thing, quick tip or quick kind of hack is you can also send, and again, it's included in the template below, a 15% off or 20% off or even 10% off coupon code and say, hey, here's a code, thanks for being such an awesome customer. And you send this to everybody, right? Not just people to leave you positive reviews, but thanks for being such a great customer. We want to give you specifically a special gift. Here is a coupon code for 15% off your next purchase. And right, if you've done your profitability calculation correctly and you're making 30% or more per unit that you sell, right? That's another sale that you got for 15% off that you wouldn't have otherwise received. So you're going to get so many more sales from having more positive reviews and having less negative reviews. And even some of these negative experiences I've literally seen turn into, they were like my most angry customers, and for reasons that are totally understandable, became my happiest and my best customers. And this will be true. This is very likely to be true in your Amazon FBA business as well. So that's going to help you get sales, and you can specifically send coupon codes to your existing product. If you're building your Amazon FBA business around a specific niche and you have different products that relate to each other, you can send them a coupon code for a related product as well and actually help you sell and launch other products. So a ton of opportunity. Again, I'll go in more detail in the next video, and you can access my template below for free, right? You can download it for free. It's in the FBA field guide link that I have below. It has a lot of other great resources as well. So download that. Yeah, super powerful. Just want to kind of explain, because a lot of people had questions like, is this even important? Is it worth the money? It absolutely is worth the money, even when you're starting off. Super powerful. I think I've said that like 1,000 times now, but love it. Absolutely love it. It's helped my business a ton. And that's why I'm making this video specifically for you. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this, leave those in the comments below and join our Facebook group and comment there, and either I or another seller will get back to you as soon as we can. If you liked the video, and I really hope you did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. That's how I know you like the videos, right? And that's what basically tells me that I should be creating more. So give me a thumbs up below and hit the subscribe button, because I have a lot of great videos just like this and more currently on my channel, and a lot more coming to you very soon. And I want to make sure you don't miss out. So as always, thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.